Okay, I'm out at a new foreclosure. I'm going to be doing an inspection today. This house is really neat, huge. Not to mention it's on the water. It's got water actually on two sides, but big stucco house, a little under 3,000 square feet, 3-bedroom, 4-bath with an indoor pool. Yep, that's right, indoor pool. And the pool section of the house is like 1,700 square feet, and it's not included in the living square footage. All right, so here's your inside. Got a little room off to the right here. The entire downstairs is all tile floors, they look pretty good. They're in good shape. I don't see any cracks or anything. And just look at that pool, it's crazy. Here's your kitchen, open floor plan. Look at that view to the water, I mean, that's great. I mean, it's not bad. I know it's gonna have to have a new roof. It's gonna have to have exterior paint, interior paint, some stucco touch-ups. It's a fireplace. All 3 bedrooms are upstairs. It does have a full bath right here though. Not bad. In the garage. And this garage has been beat to heck in the back. So the garage needs some work. Popcorn's coming down in spots. The floors need to be restained. Got a little bonus utility room. You're gonna have a new water heater for sure. That's over 15 years of age. It looks like it's on its last leg. Yeah, this garage is bad. Okay, so you got your inside laundry room right here. Our bathroom. It does have an almost brand spanking new HVAC system, which is really nice. There's 2 units, one downstairs, one upstairs. Okay, let's check out this pool. What a mess. There is a full bathroom right here, which is a nice bonus. So this will be your 4th bathroom. Stand-up shower. Nice. I mean, the bathrooms are nice. Nice tile job. You got some issues with the vinyl siding in this room. This is not heated and cooled, but all it has is some fans. They vinyl sided the whole interior. In most parts, it looks to be in pretty good shape. This wall right here, you can see it bowing out. It's gonna have to have a bunch of new sliders and windows replaced. There's a lot of windows that are messed up around here. Let's go check out the upstairs. You've got your master on the back part of the house. Yes, blue carpet, and there's no baseboards. They put carpet up for the baseboards. Ridiculous. All right, well, this slider's got to be replaced for sure. That window's fogged. Yeah, look at the roof, it is shot. What a great view. Check out the master. It's not bad, it's a little dated. Big jetted garden tub. Walk-in stand-up shower. That's nice. Walk-up stand-up shower, that's really nice, but they took the shower heads. Dang it. Sorry, I've got autofocus set, so you can see what a nice view. tree needs to go. But double vanity, I mean, all tile, not bad. Here, let's go check out the guest bedrooms. Oh, here's the walk-in closet for the master. Big, needs updating though. New shelves and stuff. Okay, you can tell these were kids' rooms. Here's your other bathroom. That's in really good shape, nice tile. All right, here's bedroom 2. Got those windows have broken seals. So there's going to be quite a few windows that have to be repaired or replaced. And here's your last bedroom. Wow. All right, let's walk out back and check it out real quick. Okay, so let's take a look at the outside here. This is the pool house. Like I said, this is 1,700 square feet. So a new dock will have to be built, and I doubt seriously any of that's going to be able to be reused. So whoever buys it is going to get to play with putting in a new dock. But look at that view. There's the neighbor property, and here's the water view. Now this deck was 250 feet long when it was built, with a 20-foot wide boat dock. But the damage was from Hurricane Ivan, and it's never been rebuilt, so that's how long ago it was. But look at this view. And this property right here, I don't think this property has an easement. I think it might be landlocked. I'm not sure, but I think that might be the case. But anyway, there it is. No telling what they're going to do with this one. We're going to do my inspection, see what all it needs, and no idea if this thing's going to be sold as is or if they're going to put money into it. I hope to goodness they don't put money into it, but you never know. They might. All right, if you have any questions, comments, leave them below. I appreciate it. Make sure and hit the subscribe button if you haven't. And as always, have a great day.